Most people spend their Saturday sleeping in or relaxing. This past Saturday, I decided to spend mine building a full-blown AI ML lab from scratch on a single Nvidia DGX Spark. Within 6 hours, I had GPU acceleration, Kubeflow, Airflow, GitLab, KServe, and a full MLOps stack running in my own home lab. And the craziest part, this isn't just cool, it changes what's possible for ML engineers and researchers. If you ever worked in ML, you know the pain. Waiting on cloud credits, fighting for cluster access, getting throttled by shared GPU queues, facing budget constraints from stakeholders that want to create innovative products but just doesn't have the budget to actually innovate and build these products in a rapid rate. But what if you didn't have to wait? What if your entire experimentation environment lived inside your own lab, GPU accelerated, production grade, and always available? That's why I built this. So here's what's running on a single box. I have Kubernetes on ARM64. I use the K3's distribution, so it's very lightweight. I'm using an Nvidia GPU operator, which automates the management of Nvidia GPUs on my Kubernetes clusters. So it sits on top of my Kubernetes cluster, and I installed it via Helm charts. I'm also using Kubeflow for experimentation, Airflow for orchestrating workflows such as fetching data sets, prepping your data, spinning up fine-tuning or training jobs, and also creating model artifacts that you can use to run inference endpoints. I'm using KServe for serving models, and I'm using Traefik for proxies, Istios for networking, Longhorn for distributed block storage. So it's handling all the boring critical infrastructure that typical DevOps or MLOps engineers would manage. I did that all on a single Nvidia GPU box. So with this setup, I can spin up an entire GPU notebook in seconds. I can tune models, I can serve inference endpoints with KServe, all without touching the cloud or waiting for someone's approval. And this is all on a personal AI infrastructure in the Nvidia DGX Spark. And this is just the beginning. Over the next few weeks, I'll break down exactly how this works, the architecture, the stack, the model serving layer, and how you can build your own lab. If you're a machine learning engineer or researcher, this is your way out of a slow experimentation cycles. So follow along. Next week, I'll give you a full walkthrough of what's happening under the hood.